You're on the bike. That's Cuddles' bike.
Did you go?
Where you go, little muffet? You gotta sit in it. You don't get eat the wood. Well, it's not your bike. She owns it now.
Don't eat it!
Cuddles. Hello.
I'll stand her up in there again. But don't take with it, that's what I'm doing.
Cuddles. Hello. Hello, Cuddles. You got your sunglasses on this time. Hello. That's your new bike. You good little girl. Say hello, everybody. Put your fat bum in there. Hope you're not stuck in there. I see you.